Hello, this is a short explanation on how to use decals in 3dverse. Decals are materials that are projected onto other surfaces. They can be used to simulate various effects such as graffiti, stickers, signs, crossroads, or any other surface details that don't require additional geometry. To enable decal rendering, check that the Rendering Decals checkbox is enabled in the main render graph. For an entity to become a decal projector, the decal projector must be added, which will then project the assigned material onto the surfaces. The projector component requires a compatible decal material to be referenced. For this example, I have already created some decal projection materials. To make a decal material, first create a material that uses a default decal material CS shader. Currently, only material references are supported for the decal projection entity. The entity's position, rotation, and scale determine the location, orientation, and size of the decal projection. Custom decal material shaders will be discussed in a future video. Thank you and happy decaling!